Look at this silky rich cashew salmon curry with tender pieces of salmon coated in a luxurious restaurant style masala. Let's start the recipe. In a blender, add half cup of cashew. I have soaked cashews 10 minutes before. 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Make a paste. Now start by heating one pot. 1 tablespoon of oil or olive oil on a medium heat. Add 1 medium chopped finely onion and 1 slit green chilies. Now add ginger paste, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Sauté this everything for about 5 minutes until fragrant and lightly golden. Now next step, add puree of 2 tomatoes along with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir well and let the mixture cook down. Now it's time the seasoning. I am adding 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. You can use paprika also. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of fish masala powder. Cook this masala slowly for about 15 minutes until it thickens and the flavors deepens and change in a color. This step is a key for that rich style. Now pour the cashew puree and mix well to create a smooth creamy gravy. Now add salt and half squeeze of lemon juice to balance the acidity and richness of the gravy. You will notice the sauce becoming glossy and aromatic. Now cook the salmon. Gently place the salmon pieces into the gravy and coat them evenly each side with the masala. Cook on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes on each side, allowing the salmon to cook gently, absorb all the flavors without breaking. Once the salmon is tender, perfectly cooked, finish with a fresh cilantro on top, sliced onion and lemon wedges for brightness. This stage is absolutely irresistible. Serve this creamy cashew salmon curry with rice or warm naan. Enjoy every comforting bite. Don't forget to subscribe and like.